Hey guys, welcome to my first ever video tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about a beauty fad that I'm kind of obsessed with. Face rollers! So I know there's a lot of them out there. You can buy them for really reasonable prices on Amazon, but it is kind of confusing to know which one does what and exactly how to use them. So I'm going to go over that in this video and I hope you guys find it helpful. Okay, so let's talk about how to actually use the rollers. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure that you have a completely clean face. I have just washed my face, I have no makeup on. You don't want to be rolling your face with makeup on because then you're going to just be smearing makeup everywhere into your pores and that's just gross. Okay, so let's start off with the ice roller. I really love using this because it totally wakes up your face when you use it. It feels really nice because it's cold, and you know, the roller acts as like a massager on your face. It just feels really good. So this roller has water and gel in it, and that's what freezes in the freezer. So I've taken it out of the freezer and then you just pop it on like so, voila. So this roller is meant to help tighten your pores, which is great because I have really huge pores. And it's also helped to depuff, and it can help with lymphatic drainage. It's supposed to rejuvenate your skin, and it also helps if you have like skin irritations. It's supposed to help with rosacea. I have eczema, so sometimes I use it on spots that I have eczema and it soothes it a lot. Recently, I bought a new face cream and I had an allergic reaction to it. My face was all blotchy and it was super itchy. And I actually used this ice roller on it a few times, and then the itchiness was completely gone. It was really awesome. So basically, remember, you have two lymphatic drainage points on your face and near where your neck is. So the first one is where your ears are, and the second one is where your clavicle or collarbone is. So I like to start at the neck and go down. So you're draining out water retention and toxins. So what I like to do is place it on the collarbone and then use a downward motion. Down, down, down. And then the next section. Down, down, down. And then the next section. Down, 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 and just do that all the way around your neck 5 times. Some people like to just go straight down, and that's fine too. So you can do that if you feel it's easier. I just like the other way because I just feel like I'm getting more of a massage. Okay, so then we're gonna move on to the next point, which is under your chin. This nice little chubby pudgy part that at least I have. I've always had a round face. So you wanna go up and then down, up and then down, up and then down. Okay, again, up towards the ears, down, up towards the ears, drain, up towards the ears, drain, up towards the ears, drain. Okay, and then you're gonna do this section, your chin. So you're going up towards the ears again. And you know, I work a lot of late shifts and I like to eat salty food. So I'm hoping that doing this regularly will help with that. But I haven't been doing it regularly yet, so we'll see. Okay, and then you're gonna go over your lips. And again, do all of this 5 times. I'm just doing a shorter version here. Okay, and so then you want to do like this cheekbone part. And these rollers are actually meant to help you if you have sinus issues or black sinuses. So if you want to use it for that, I recommend kind of gently pushing your nose to the side and doing this. This is my favorite part, which is under the eyes. You know, puffy eyes from drinking too much the night before, staying up late, working late, crying. I just like to do this and it feels really nice because it's so cold. Helps with the puffiness, and then if you're really puffy you can even hold it like here. And so I've seen some people do like this as well, but I like to still hit those drainage points. And then you can also do your eyelid. And you can do the eye on the other side. I know this looks kind of complicated, but it actually really isn't. When you actually do it yourself, you're just basically moving up in sections. And the nice thing about this roller is it's big, so it actually doesn't take that long. Okay, then eyebrow, you want to keep going to the ear lymphatic drainage points. Then you do it again. And then the forehead. I also find this helps when I have headaches. So I kind of just do this sort of thing when I have a headache. And then also it's really great if you have tension in your neck or in your shoulders, so you can just roll away. Okay, so now let's talk about the jade roller. So I have the jade roller and a rose quartz roller. I don't see a huge difference between them. I also put them in the freezer. I mostly got the rose quartz roller because I thought it was so pretty, because it's pink and I love pink. My jade roller was not packed properly and it came broken. So I got a refund for it, but then I thought, hey, it still works. So I super glued the two ends together and duct taped them. The stones themselves are meant to have different properties. Jade rollers have been used as far back as in ancient China. The empresses used to use this as part of their beauty regiment. And jade is meant to help you balance your chi and also ward off negative energy, and it's supposed to have healing properties. Rose quartz is all about love, so not just romantic love, but also self-love and compassion and warding off resentment. And don't we all have a little bit of that? So let's talk about the jade roller. Basically, what I like about the jade roller is that it stays pretty cool. And what I tend to do is I put on like a serum beforehand, and I already have the serum on, or you can put on your face cream or your night cream if it's like part of your regimen, and then you can actually use this to roll over it, and it helps your skin soak in the product. It's also really great if you have a sheet mask and you put it on, and then you can do all the rolling with the sheet mask, and it really helps your skin soak that in. So again, you do the same things, the two drainage points, ears and clavicle. So you go down, 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 down. My roller squeaks a little bit, but I don't really care. It doesn't really bother me. Up and down. Up and down. The chin part. And then you'll do the same on the other side, mouth. And then upper chin. And then this is my favorite part. You want to get a double head roller because this little one is really good for under the eyes and over the eyes. So then this is my favorite part. Oh, it feels really nice. Under the eye. Really helps with puffiness. And then over the eyelid. And then same thing, eyebrows. And you notice that my skin's gotten a little bit pink, and that's normal. It's because it's increasing the circulation in your face. And that's about it. That's how you roll your face with your face rollers. So I hope this was helpful, and happy rolling.